Hey guys, Richard here. Yeah, headed out to my buddy Ron's house. Where's my helmet? I left it over here. Headed out to my buddy Ron's house because he needs to go visit one of his friends that is brand new to the e-bike community, and visit with him for a quick minute this morning, and then Ron and I are going to go out and grab a little breakfast or something. Got to do that early in the morning, shortly after the sun comes up, or about the time the sun comes up, because it's so stinking hot this time of year. Yeah, our temperature has been close to 100 good part of the week, 95. But then when you add that 80-90% humidity, it's just, humidity just drips off of everything. You know, it's just dripping off the house, and oh, it's just so sticky out here already. Look, my camera's fogging up too because it was cool in the garage and it's hot and humid out here, so yeah. Ooh, maybe that'll help. Anyway, yeah, so anyway, headed to Ron's house here in just a minute or two. What time is it? Whew. Yeah, got a couple minutes. So Mike is the guy we're going to go visit. He actually purchased the blue Truxus Lynx Plus, which was Emma's bike for a long time. But since she's been working with me, she hasn't been riding her own bike. She's been, busy doing other things, and we kind of needed the space. And she was like, let's just get rid of it, and I'll find something else to replace it with in time. And so we got rid of it. We sold it to him. And also, he purchased the King Bull Voyager 2 that I thought would go to my buddy Ron, because Ron really likes it. Ron likes King Bull brand. He's had a couple of their other bikes, and I thought I was going to give it to him, right? Because he helps me a lot here in the, tinkering around and stuff. And I said, man, just take the bike, please. And he wouldn't take it. He says, nope, I think Mike will want this, because Mike's shopping for a bike, and he said, I want Mike to ride it. And so Mike and his wife came over and tested it out. They loved it, and so they ended up taking it. So, yeah, we got a couple other things we're getting ready to sell. The Rever CM5, this Vituvia, both of these are nice. It's just, I don't have space, and I'm not going to ride them, but both turned out to be really good bikes for the money you're spending on it. Also, the Max Foot over there is, we've been wanting to sell that for weeks, but just haven't gotten around to making some Facebook posts and things. So that's coming up for sale. No, I don't ship, if you're inquiring about that. This is interesting. A little underpowered for the size of the bike it is, and as heavy as what it is. It's only got 65 Newton meters of torque, so that was kind of disappointing. Yeah, could have been better. They needed a different motor on it. Otherwise, I mean, if you like this style of bike, it's kind of cool looking. It's, nice and large, and it's, plenty of battery. It's got 2 big batteries on it. But just a little underpowered in my opinion. It's fine for flat surfaces, and if you just want to cruise around, it's fine. But, it's kind of designed, and it's got that vibe of an off-road bike or something. It's not good for off-road. Not good. I mean, straight, maybe dirt, gravel, straight paths, not hills or anything like that. So, yeah, this was a really big surprise right here. Both the Narak turned out to be a good trike. For the price, I mean, $13.15, it's hard to beat, because for $13.15, you're still getting a good quality trike. So no complaints with that, really, at all. I mean, we had a rear wheel that wobbles pretty bad, and we just got to true it up, but that's it. Velatric just released theirs finally. Now, we've had this one for, gosh, a month and a half or something, but just couldn't release any videos about it. But we released 3 videos on the same day, on Tuesday, and this turned out to be a super nice trike too. I mean, a higher price. I mean, it's not quite double the price of that one, but still really good trike. Dual sensors, and just got a beginner mode for seniors, and just for those who are just learning. Really nice. I'm kind of behind the power curve on getting the video out on the electric XP2, XP Trike 2. We only got the initial video out on that, and we've had it for a few weeks now, so I got to get this out soon. I want to do a hill test climb, probably with this one and with the Velatric, and I'll probably do a comparison video, because they're both brand new on the market. They're both similar in style, very similar in size and everything. So I might do a comparison video on those. I don't do a lot of comparison videos. It'd be good to do a comparison video on these two because they look so similar and similarly equipped, both 500-watt motors, and so maybe I should try to do that. It's just so busy around here. It's kind of hard for me to do these extra type of content videos. You know, we do like review videos, and that's and an occasional garage video, and that's about as far as we go. Prototype rack, platform style rack with ramp. Not happy with this particular company, so we already scrapped them and working with a different company, but you're going to see platform style trike racks as well as I'm sharing the goods with you guys this morning. That's the quicker rack that I use, but I'm just using it for demonstration purpose. But you're going to see a trike rack that is similar in design to that right there. Yeah, it's going to be a little more of a premium style rack. But so those are the e-trike racks that we have that's going to be available over at hitchrackpro.com. If you haven't heard, we started a new company, hitchrackpro.com. Go check it out. And we're offering larger style racks as well as these rack lifts, okay, that allows you to put your rack on it so you can store it, move it, lift it, get it connected to your vehicle effortlessly. Got one over there, got another one over here that's holding that big old monstrosity. So yeah, those kind of things going on. So a lot of things happening. What time is it? Oh, time to go to Ron's house. So let's hit the garage door button. Boop. And let's power this back up. I powered it on to check the battery a minute ago, and now it powered off. Oh my gosh, the few minutes that it's been sitting out here, it is wet. Because again, it was cold in the garage, and it's just like, yuck. Moisture all over. Look at the mirrors. Mirrors all locked up. Another, I don't know, what, 6 weeks of this or something? And then the temperatures will turn mild again. Looking forward to that. All right, let's get you up here where you need to be. Oh, here comes a... Oh, yuck, man. My handlebars are dripping wet. Handle grips, I should say. All right, it is really hot. I'm not in the mood for doing a whole lot of pedaling, so I'm probably going to cruise a lot today. This bike this is the Magicycle Ocelot Pro. It's equipped with, let's get past this truck. Yeah, I'm riding the Magicycle Ocelot Pro this morning. This is equipped with dual sensors, so you can switch it easily from cadence to torque. And on really hot days like this, where I'm not wanting to get out and do much exercise, like that lady right there, and we're gonna be riding for just a little bit, I'm just gonna cruise around in cadence mode, make it easy on myself. There's buddy Ron.
You there?
Mm-hmm. I saw your garage door going up or something.
Do what?
I saw your garage door doing this number or something.
I took it up. I was gonna fill my tire, but I don't think my tire look okay?
Your tire looks fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what I was worried about.
Yeah.
I hadn't checked it.
It's on.
Or maybe mine's off. There, I hear you. You there?
I'm here.
Good morning.
Lead the way, Ron.
Huh?
Said lead the way. You don't like it. You don't like it. I do. I like you leading the way because you don't lead very often. Oh, you have been counting, huh? Hey, Dave. Only when you're leading. Uh-huh. It'd be real nice if it was about 20 degrees cooler. All right, let's get back to the other side then. Okay, we're breaking the law again. I'm gonna have to cut all this out of the video. People are gonna be yelling at Ron. What are you doing, Ron? I've been in here riding a couple of times. All right. may have been run over, but he was fresh. You didn't see it? Man, he was 2.5 feet long, thick and round. He looked like he was fine, except for it looked like maybe his head had gotten squished a little bit or something. And he wasn't moving, so I think he was dead. But he was fresh. He was laying right up against the curb. You just rolled right past it.
I knew I was in trouble when he brings the big guns over again.
Yeah. You don't mind if I record, leave this on? Do you mind being on camera?
Not at all.
This is Mike. Hey, I'm familiar with those two bikes right there. Nice.
You think so?
Yeah. Nice.
Just saw some people in the neighborhood, Mike, he was talking to. They're interested in it.
See?
So they rode them in New Zealand, wasn't it?
Yeah, they were in New Zealand. They rode them. They loved it. So
They
now they
love
want to buy a couple. All right. Well, let's grab that and let's just stick it on the car for now, so we
I
can.
get away. No wonder
So
I
we can-
brought you along.
All right. All right. And the hardest part is lining up that hole. Let's see. Where's that?
Yeah.
It'll be a lot easier when I have
The lift.
the lift.
Yeah.
You bet it will be.
Let me tell you. So I was, and maybe I'm wrong, but I think in order to use the crossbar, I'm going to have to raise the seats.
It might fit. Yeah, it may. You may have to raise the seat a little bit, but
Well, yeah.
you have the crossbar, right?
I have one, and I ordered. I did what you said. I went online and ordered the other one.
Ordered that
yesterday.
other one? Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll be here today, won't we?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Huh. Need some help, Rick?
I'm just going to get on this side.
Yeah.
God, how late did this go?
You got to help this guy with everything, I tell you what. Ron, when we get back, we'll break out the crayons and I'll explain it to you.
This thing is really loose. So now this bike has to go on
Backwards.
right?
Yeah, it needs to go on backwards. And it's a little trickier to get it on backwards because you got the ramp and it's kind of small and getting it lined up.
This thing, the goofy thing, I can't get it to
When you start getting up here like this, Mike, you'll want to lean it like this
Okay.
to get the pedals from, keep the pedals from hitting each other and
There we go.
baskets and handlebars and all that stuff. Okay, from right there, we're going to have to rotate the pedal a little bit. Rotate it up. Right about there's good, probably. Something like that.
Yep.
Yeah, working those pedals are going to be a. It needs to go back a little bit more. Right about there. All right, so yeah, that's a little.
Oh, this one will grab on, won't it?
Ah, it's yeah,
Close.
it's close.
Close.
We might make it work. Is it? It's got to go forward a little bit. Though is the problem, and it's going to come off the. You got the bike. Lean it in. Let's see if it'll tighten down enough to keep it nice and secure for us. Look at that. You might be able to make that work without having to. These little rubber pieces are already coming off.
Well, I do have another crossbar coming. So.
Yeah, it's probably, that'd be safer than that because I don't like the fact that it's open here where if it were to loosen up, it'd allow it to fall down. So that crossbar would be the best.
Okay.
Take care, Mike.
Take care, buddy.
Yeah, it's just warm out here. I know, it's nice, but as long as you keep moving. that? Yeah, I did too. It's a nice little, it's short, but I mean, it's a nice little path. So have you taken Mike and Mary Beth up to, you went up and saw the old school, or the new school up there. Did you circle around and come back through the neighborhoods? Yeah. Yep, I did. Right. So did you go through that, continue on and go through those neighborhoods and then come across and... So maybe we should do that one morning or something, and we'll take them through Harrison Ranch and take a couple of those short little paths and show them that route. Yep, it's clear behind us. Yep. All right. We can. All right, buddy. Just let me know. Yep. Oh, you are too. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Out with my buddy Ron, and we went over to his buddy Mike and Mary Beth. Mary Beth? Oh, I don't remember. Oh my goodness. I guess the more I hang out with them, the more I'll remember their names. Yeah, so it was a good time. Oh look, the trash guys bring my trash can up to the house because I tip them. I do. Sometimes I put, excuse me, sometimes I put a lot of trash out at the road. It's like, you know, I'm putting all this extra trash out, and they don't have to take bulk trash. They're not supposed to take bulk trash, but they will. And so I tip them periodically for taking my bulk stuff. And then they, in turn, well, oh my goodness, there we go. They, in turn, bring my trash can up to the house. Nice guys. Nice guys. We'll get this in here. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up. Give me that thumbs up. Comment down below. You know what to do. Yeah, you know what to do. I will see you guys in another video here real soon.